How to transfer your notes to Blogger on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes to Blogger on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and now click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and now click Blogger. And now just go to posts and click none, and here click next, and now just connect your Facebook with Blogger, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.